Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the Goal Tracker template, which is available on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. With this powerful tool, you can set meaningful goals, break them into actionable steps, and track your progress with clarity and motivation. Before you begin, take a moment to review the instructions on the first page. They'll help you understand how the template works. In the first step, you'll learn how to set up the main categories for your goals. In the second step, you'll see how to enter specific goals, break them down into measurable actions, and track your progress over time. To set your goals, go to the Goal Tracker sheet. Begin filling in the data by entering the categories of your goals, such as personal development and career, health, finances, wellness, relationships, education, home, or any other category that fits your needs. The information in the Goal Achieved and Progress columns updates automatically. You can specify up to 20 categories. Moving on to filling in the data on goals. Enter your goal. Select categories. The drop-down list is generated based on the data entered earlier. Enter the date when the goal will be achieved. The data in the days left, status, and progress columns is calculated automatically. Think about your goal and enter it in response to what do you want to achieve? This will help you focus on what matters most. For example, if your goal is career related, you could write, get promoted to a team lead position within the next 6 months. Reflect on the importance of your goal and write it in the Why is it important field. Understanding your reasons will keep you inspired and on track. For a career goal, you could write, because I want to grow professionally, take on more responsibility, and increase my income. Consider what reward will motivate you and enter it under Reward. Choosing a meaningful reward helps reinforce positive habits and keeps you focused. For example, for a career goal, you might enter, I'll celebrate by taking a weekend trip. Think about the specific actions you need to complete to reach your goal and enter them in the Tasks to Reach Goal field. By listing concrete tasks, you can stay organized, track your progress, and move steadily toward achieving your goal. You can specify 51 tasks. The template is originally in English, but if you'd like to switch the tables to another language, our TranslateHub tool makes it fast, accurate, and incredibly easy. You can find the link in the description below. Let's get back to the template. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Let's specify a few more examples of goals. Next, track your progress by checking off each task as it is completed. The status column displays the current step of your goal, while the progress column shows how far you've progressed toward achieving it. On the left side, you'll find a block for general goal analysis. The progress chart allows you to see how many goals have been completed and how many are still in progress. In the table below, you can analyze the achievement of goals by category. This table helps you quickly see your achievements, identify areas that need more attention, and track progress by category. You can also enter notes if necessary, which helps you keep track of important details, clarify your thoughts, and stay organized. You can set up to 50 goals in individual blocks. If needed, you can duplicate the goal tracker sheet and add other goals on the new sheet. And one technical point: if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try it out by entering your own goals. You'll see how easy it is to plan, track, and achieve them. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.